Factor through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Hawkins, Larry DeLong outside of him, Jathan Campbell, Nick Griswold, and Randy Griswold. 20 laps around Golden Mountain Raceway Park for your Sportsman late model division. American All-Stars, you need to be in staging right now. American All-Stars, you need to be in staging right now. Adam Mitchell gonna, ooh, that ain't gonna fly, my boy. As Larry DeLong pointed the wrong direction, Chandler Hickman jumped a little early. As we'll pull it back, try him one more time. So we come to green this time. Adam Mitchell and Chandler Hickman going to be outside of your front row. As the 50 of Adam Mitchell easing off into turn number 3, out of turn number 4. Green's up. Throttles down. Adam Mitchell going to jump out to that early lead. Chandler Hickman going to be tying a chain to your race leader. The 4 of Cameron Hawkins going to be side by side with the number 11 of Jathan Campbell. Campbell almost making contact with Hawkins. No harm, no foul. Adam Mitchell starting to check out from the rest of the field. As Adam Mitchell now, the difference between first and second, a little over 1.5 seconds from Chandler Hickman. So we got 17 laps remaining in this 20-lap feature event. Adam Mitchell still showing the way. It's going to be Chandler Hickman, Cameron Hawkins, your podium. So Adam Mitchell starting to close in on lap traffic. First one on the docket is going to be the 77 of Griswold, as he will pass him on the back straightaway. Is Griswold going to pull it in the infield pit area. It's going to bring his 9 early in. Next on the docket is going to be the 12 of Nick Griswold. Nobody's going to Wally World tonight. As Adam Mitchell putting on an absolute spectacle down the back straightaway. He's got about a straightaway on your number 2 man of Chandler Hickman. And then another straightaway back to the 4 of Cameron Hawkins. Next time by will be 10 in, 10 to go, halfway home in this 20-lap feature event. So the caution going to come out for the 12 of Nick Griswold up the top of turn number 1. So here we go, race fans. We're going to dive off into turn number 3 and 4. Adam Mitchell's got the control as we're going to get him off turn 4. Didn't know if that start was going to stick, but we made it work. Adam Mitchell now Trying to run away from your number 2 man of Chandler Hickman. Hickman makes a mistake off turn 2. That's going to open the door for Hawkins. Hawkins go to the bottom side of Hickman. Hickman, something wrong with that C6 machine. As he's got it figured out that time around now. He's got to play a little defense from the 4 of Hawkins. So as they run right now, it is Mitchell, Hawkins, Mitchell, Hickman, Hawkins, and the 11 of Jathan. Five laps remaining around Golden Mountain Raceway Park for the 50 of Adam Mitchell. So it's going to be bullhorns in the air this time around for the 50 of Adam Mitchell. Chandler Hickman has made strides to make his way back up to your race leader, but I think he's going to run out of time. Adam Mitchell now just under a second ahead of your number 2 man of Hickman. Hickman slides way high. That's going to open the door even wider. One more rotation around Golden Mountain Raceway Park for the 50 of Adam Mitchell. Down the back straightaway into turn number 3. Out of turn number 4 from the East Tennessee area, Adam Mitchell. You're going to take him your Sportsman late model feature event, followed by Chandler Hickman and Cameron Hawkins going to round out your podium. So how about it, race fans, for the 50 of Adam Mitchell?
Top 3 scales, winner gets taken outside the gate.
So that is going to do it for your Sportsman late models.